Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Busala here today again, and thank you so much for the likes and subscription I got in my previous video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button down below and like the videos if they're really helpful to you. So today I'm going to be showing you two easy styles, pardon my other end, two easy styles you can rock to work or rock to a dinner date. As you can see, I already have me some drop downs. I mean, it's just quite simple and I already look glam. So it's gonna take you less than 5 minutes to achieve those styles. So walk with me, people. Yes. So now I'm gonna be sectioning my hair into 3 sections. So I'm gonna do the front section first. As you can see, I'm just gonna cut out a section in front here like this. Yeah, so I have me my front section already, as you can see, well cut, even though it's not so neat, but then it's cut. So I'm just gonna get my rubber band and hold it to the side. Yes, to the side, to the side, to the side, to the side. Now I'm gonna divide the back section into 2. So as you can see, dividing the back into 2 sections. 2 sections, 2 sections. Yeah. So I've gotten 1 section. I'm going to get my rubber band now and hold down this middle section to have my high bun here, to achieve the high bun. So yeah, so this is my rubber band, people. I'm just gonna hold it down there firm, so make sure you get a firm grip. Yeah. Okay, and that's done. So I'm going to take it now and roll it, as you can see, like this, and then you turn it around, roll it around like that, and keep rolling it, keep rolling it, and then I'm just gonna tuck it underneath like that. So as you can see, people, I have made my high bun already. So the back section, I'm just gonna leave it down. Now on the front section, I'm gonna be putting a bow in front. Now the bow is very easy to achieve. All I need to do is to pack this down firmly. Get your rubber band, and then I hold it down to get a firm grip. So I'm gonna, so I'm gonna hold it down. Like this. Yes, so this is held down already, as you can see, firmly gripped. Now to achieve the bow, I'm gonna have to bring it forward like this, and then fold it like this. And then I'm gonna use my rubber band and hold it again. So as you can see, I already have it held down. Now what I'm going to do with this front section is to divide it into 2 equal halves like this. 2 equal half, 2 equal half, 2 equal halves. So that's done. Now the little that I have left in front from the parking, I'm just going to take it straight to the back in the middle like this, as you can see. So I'm going to have to tuck this in so it's not visible, and by to achieve that, I have to fold it as I did. As you can see, I just folded it, and then I'm going to get my hairpin to pin this down here. Now this is my hairpin, yeah. So I'm just gonna pin it down like this, as you can see. And to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna pin it down with another pin, so everything can stay put. So that's down, and I have me my bow. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is one glam style you can rock to the office. So I could either bring the remaining section at the back to drop down to the side like this, and then I could rock this to work, yeah, like this. Or, now that's one style. Or I could take it all up for another style. I could just take the back section off, like this, and roll it, 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 and then I bring it to the side and roll it around the bun. So I have just a single bun up do. Like so, and then I tuck the tip underneath the bun, yes, and that's a firm grip there, people. So I have me my bun and the bow. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you loved the videos and you would want me to show you how to do some DIYs and some other easy style, please make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel right now, and I am happy to have you on board. So thank you and have a lovely day.